Today is February 7th, half hour before my court hearing. 2007.
Yes. We're at Katie Schroeder's house.
My house. And this is how to catch a bird. You push the Jamie Fritzy towards it.
Move it, Patches.
Sorry, Patches, but you gotta take it for the team. Okay.
Okay.
Now, we just need something large.
Alright, like a broom?
What did you say?
Like a broom?
A balloon?
A balloon? Oh.
Well, this is where the bird exited because Jamie's a dumbass.
I was just gonna hope that I didn't shut it all the way. Okay. Alright. Okay. Do you have a broom? I don't know where your shit's at.
There's a shovel outside. Well, the shovel will work, it'll cup it.
Alright, I need somebody to hold the door open.
Okay. I need... Joanna, you have to videotape this. That's your job. Okay. First we need...
How much video life does it have? Or how much time?
I don't know. We're wasting time by recording.
Okay. Come on. I'm coming. I'm getting ready. Come on. Okay. Hold on. Flip it up. I'm going to slingshot it your way. No, you're not.
I think that's a great idea.
Well, you got to hold the door open on. I'm warning you that I'm going to be slinging it. Don't hit me in the head with a shovel. I'm not going to hit you with a shovel. You just got to keep the door open. Okay. So I can scoop it out. Okay. Okay, so go hold the door open. Your dirty feet. Okay, go.
Oh my.
Oh, go, I'm not going to do it. All right. Come on, bird. Come on, bird. Are you dead? Alright, this is the bird. Come get a shot of the bird. It's right there. Now scoop it out. Do you see it? Do you see it? It's right there by the boot.
Yeah.
Get over it. Okay. There's a snake in my boot. This thing is going to come flying right at my thing. Okay. Wake up. Wake up.
Wake up. Yeah, it's taking a little nap.
I just killed it. No, it's alive. It just moved its evil head. Oh, I know what we should do. Alright, do you see it? Yeah, I don't want to get down to get it. No. Come on, bird.
It's out?
It's out. It flew out.
Okay, it's happy at home now.
Congratulations.
You catch a bird.
After a lot of screaming and useless incoherent babble, blah.
Don't ever talk again. On that note.
I am how to catch a bird.